What's up, stinkers? Today I'm gonna teach you the easiest way to get money in Animal Company with say your name.
Hi.
Yeah. Do stinky poopy. All right, so what you're gonna need for this method is a grappler, anything that mines, a blue bag. You're also gonna want 2 rockets, and it would be way easier if you had a friend, but usually I do it alone because I don't have friends, but like that's not the point. So you want to put your stuff in your bag, but if you have the tactical side things, you put it on your side. And follow me. Come your foot. You go over here. You don't go into Haunted Mansion. You don't go into Haunted Mansion, but I'll show you where you do go. So you're gonna come over here, and you're not gonna go fully in. You're gonna turn around, and there's this opening. You wanna put whatever is in your left hand out, take your right hand and push. Now you're under the map. You could get to anywhere in the mines. You could get to secret bunker in the mines. But the main thing that we're doing is this. You can't see it right now, but it's gonna load. In a second, drop that, grab my grappler. You won't be able to see, but can't see. Okay, now you're able to see. So you're in Haunted Mansion now. Cool trick, right? Now you want to fill up your entire bag, blue bag, make sure it's a blue bag, with blue crystals. I'm just gonna. What are you laughing at, Foot? Company coins. Oh yeah, and by the way, I just figured this out today. You can get research tokens. I already spent the one that I got, but you can get research tokens from these crystals. But let me collect. See? I just got a research token out of that. That's a perfect timing. Foot, let me collect all of them so I can show them how much. In company coins. I mine the reds in case I can get company coins. I'm actually about to die, don't hit me. Going down to the bottom, I am really laggy. Going down to the bottom again. Going down to the bottom. Stand here. Going down to the bottom again. Alright, guys, let's make this short and sweet. So let's get to the top and start pouring out. We're not gonna just put our bags in there so you know we're not cheating, or we're not lying. My bag is really heavy. All right, so top. Let that real quick. Look at all those, and then just make sure we're not lying. Look at these. Oh shoot, that's my ray gun. Wait, you don't want your whoopee cushion that I got you?
No, I accidentally fell out.
Alright, and then you go... Wait, what? Oh, I had that wasn't it. Been trying to do that for a while. Now, the final amount is...
All blues and blue bags is...
For me, 17,000. For everybody... Oh.
For me...
I did not mean to do that, but... It is 17,000, you guys saw. So... Go do this.
Oh my...
Go do this method, and you'll get 17,000. That's how I got so high in money. All right, see you guys later. Bye.